Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the types of industries, and there are different types of industries which we have in our society. First one is, our very first industry is primary industry. What is the meaning of primary industry? So primary industry include all those industries which are concerned with the extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. Okay, what are the industries which will be considered as primary industry? So all those industries which are helpful in extraction of natural product or natural resources, and second one is reproduction of the living species. Okay beta, so primary industry we can define or we can divide in two parts. First is extractive and second type is genetic. What will be the meaning of extractive industries? So these are those which involve extraction of something from natural resource such as minerals from the earth, fish from river and seas, timber from forest, etc. The product of extractive industry can be directly used or become the raw material for other industry. Okay beta, in simple meaning, in simple language, if I told you that यदि हम लोग नेचुरल रिसोर्स से कुछ चीज़ एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, नेचुरल रिसोर्स से कोई चीज़ ले रहे हैं, तो वो बन जाएगी हमारी एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री. ओके, लाइक वी आर टेकिंग टिम्बर फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट. ओके, और वी आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग रिवर फ्रॉम द we are extracting fish from the river. So that type of industry is known as extractive industry. Then genetic industry, the industry which involves the activity of rearing and breeding of living organisms, that is bird, plants, animals, etc., are known as genetic industry. For example, rearing of cattle for milk, dairy farm, poultry farm, rearing of plants in nursery, growing fish in ponds are included in genetic industry. Okay beta, so what will be included in genetic industry? Rearing and breeding. ठीक है, जानवरों को पालना, उनको खिलाना, all these things are included in genetic industry. Okay beta, then we have second type of industry which is secondary industry. Okay, which industry is called secondary industry? So secondary industry makes use of products which are extracted and produced by primary sector as their raw material and produced finished product. For example, mining of iron ore is done in primary industry, but steel manufacturing is done in secondary industry. ओके बेटा, जो भी प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों ने प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री से एक्सट्रैक्ट किए, सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री में जब हम उनको फिनिश्ड गुड्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, दैट तो वो जो इंडस्ट्री रहती है वो कहलाती है हमारी सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री. ओके बेटा, ओके बच्चों, गॉट माय पॉइंट? विच इंडस्ट्री विल बी नोन एज सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री? विच मेक्स यूज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट which are extracted and produced by primary industry as their raw material. Okay, जो primary industry ने extract किया है, secondary industry में वो raw material हो जाते हैं and produced finished goods. Clear बेटा? There are two types of secondary industries are there. First one is manufacturing and second is construction industry. Okay, in manufacturing industry we will take that industry which convert the raw material into finished goods, and for example factory, okay, or we can say karkhana, that is the part of manufacturing industry. And in construction industry we can take, or we can say it is related to building the bridge and road or any other infrastructure. Okay beta.